Let's fix one of our earlier toy applications to better work with the Android lifecycle, our GitHub query application. Open up exercise 5B part 1 and type in the query Android. When we rotate the device, the word Android from the edit text is preserved, but the URL and query results are thrown away. Because edit text can be edited by users, they are preserved automatically by the Android framework during a configuration change, such as rotation. Regular text views are not. So how can we fix this? We can again use a saved instance state. We'll create a static final string key for storing the query URL, as well as a key to store the raw JSON from the result. Then we'll override onSaveInstanceState to store the query URL and search results into the saved state bundle. Finally, in onCreate, if the saved state bundle is not null, we retrieve the values and restore the text to both views. And here's how that app works now.